Have you thought about how your passing will affect your family's financial life? During this time of grief, you want to make sure that loved ones won't have to worry about paying for your final expenses. Funeral expenses alone can exceed $10,000 in most states, and final medical expenses can add thousands more. Final expense, or so-called end-of-life insurance policies, can provide you and your family with peace of mind. These end-of-life policies cover your final funeral, legal, and medical expenses, and they are a type of whole-life policy. They offer affordable premiums, fixed interest rates, and can never be terminated due to age. You will have to answer a few, or in some cases, no health questions to qualify, and most offer a free accelerated death benefit rider that allows you to access up to 50% of the death benefit while alive. To find out more about final expense insurance, call us today.